Okay, so now that I've got my sketch all written up, I've got my basement level, I've got my second level rooms, I've got my main level. Actually, this should be moved over here. Anyways, I've got my rooms all sketched out. Now I need to start adding in my my items for my estimate. So then I click over here to estimate, and then I've got all the rooms that I've just sketched out in there. So now I need to start plugging in some of the actual work that is going to be done in those levels. So let's start with the basement. So if I click on basement, I'm going to have an empty section, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing some water extraction from hard surface floor. So I'm going to click on this one, and it's going to automatically apply the measurements there. I'm also probably going to do some antimicrobial apply antimicrobial agent to the floor. And I usually use the plant-based. I see it automatically applies it, and then I'm going to do clean floor. Clean floor, probably heavy. Okay, so it automatically calculates and then it prices based on the measurements. Okay, now I'm going to move up to the second floor, and I'm going to apply. It looks like on the second floor we're going to be doing drywall removal here, and then the main level. So I'm going to do tear out, wet, drywall, clean up and bag for disposal. I think it's actually category 3, maybe category 3, because it's kind of moldy. And then I'll probably do tear out, wet insulation, tear out and bag, wet insulation. And then for these ones, actually I'll get to the calculations next. Tear out carpet. I think there's carpet up there. Wet carpet. Tear out and bag wet carpet. Tear out. Non-salvageable carpet. Tear out baseboards. Tear out and bag wet baseboard. Bag for disposal. Okay, now the calculations are going to be like this. So for carpet, I want to do just the floor, or drywall, sorry. For drywall, I want to do 2 feet of the perimeter of the floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in PF, which is the perimeter of the floor, and then times 2 for 2 feet of the perimeter of the floor. Right? And that's okay, I don't want to do double, so I'm going to delete that one. Baseboard, I'm going to delete that one. Drywall, actually, no, that was the wrong one. So baseboard's actually just going to be just the perimeter of the floor, because we just have one baseboard, and the length is the perimeter of the floor. It's a length foot pricing. For carpet, I'm going to do the floor, removing the floor value of the carpet. For pad, same thing. For insulation, I'm going to do my perimeter of the floor times 2. And then for drywall, PF times 2, which is 2 feet up, times 2. And that basically starts to calculate. Now what I do here is I just start copying and pasting, because I'm going to be doing the same work in all these rooms. So I copy all those, and I just start pasting these, and the calculations just transfer right over. I'm going to do that here for the main level, and then